Rebel Wilson may be from the land of Down Under, but she's now coming out on top and opening up about the Kardashian controversy that made headlines earlier this month. Well, it may be like 1 against 8 in this feud between Rebel and the Kardashians, but you better bet your Kardashian booty that Rebel ain't backing down. The Pitch Perfect star made headlines earlier this month after an interview on an Australian radio show went south when she quickly turned down an opportunity to present an MTV VMA award alongside the Jenner sisters. Rebel did not shy away from revealing her true opinion about the reality star, saying, quote, "What they stand for is totally against what I stand for. They seem a bit superficial and their careers aren't really based on talent." Ouch. She was then criticized by celebs, including Oprah Winfrey, who said, "To really create a reality series that looks like something's actually happening, it means you have to be on all the time. I went to film them as a family and I couldn't believe how hard they worked. We were there for 7 hours and they were going to tape another 7 hours after I left. No matter who you are, that is work." Rebel quickly turned to social media to defend herself and to share that she was long over this little thing going on between her and the famous family. She wrote a series of tweets earlier this week saying, quote, "I'd be very happy to debate the Kardashians anywhere, anytime, any topic." In the next tweet, she accused the Kardashians' publicist of being responsible for the ongoing war, saying, "Or maybe their publicist can just stop the smear campaign against me because I made one prompted comment about them on Australian radio." And finally, Rebel revealed that she did make amends with the family, writing, "In any event, I'm more than over this little thing and wish the K-Clan well, even sent them flowers." So it seems like this minor tiff is now just water under the bridge, or shall I say water under the multi-million-dollar Kardashian manor by now. But in any event, we should take in that this is a lesson to anyone who tries to take down Rebel, because she might just take a few lessons from Fat Amy.
I'm gonna finish him like a cheesecake.
And there you have it, but I want to know all of your thoughts on the Rebel versus the Kardashian clan feud. Do you think the two really made amends, or do you think there is some truth to this so-called smear campaign conspiracy? Let me know all of your thoughts right down in the comment section below. And after that, you can click right over here to check out Miley Cyrus's full style transformation on a brand new Dirty Laundry. And do not forget to subscribe to Clevver Style for even more fashion flashbacks. Hey you guys, thanks so much for hanging here with me on Clevver News. I'm your host, Ryland Adams, and happy Friday. And then click to the left to check out 4 of the worst celebrity feuds on Debatable, or click to the right to see 22 of the craziest Kardashian quotes.